up, friends? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Taylor and today I'm going to do something a little bit fun and different. I'm going to be showing you guys my Stitch Fix unboxing for the month of August. So Stitch Fix is a clothing subscription box. I'm just opening that you can receive every month, every 3 months, every quarter, which would be about every 3 months, every other month. It gives you a lot of options and flexibility as far as how often you want to receive clothing from them. And the company sends everything from clothing, shoes, accessories. It's a really wide variety of prices as well, which is really nice. And I've been doing mine about once a month. So getting new clothes, I believe you receive five items altogether that you can pick and choose, and then you just send back whatever you don't want. So like I said, hang on. Struggling right now. This box. There we go. We're good. So like I said, this is my box for August. Now everything within these boxes is always super personalized, which is nice. It kind of allows you to pick and choose things that you want. You can request special items. Your stylist then will kind of decide based on your preferences what they choose to send you. So to start, we have a tiny little box, which I'm assuming is jewelry. Ooh, it says a Jill Michael Liani Lanai. Word definition, please. Layered charm necklace in light pink. So normally I'm not a huge fan of light pink jewelry. Ooh, but this is kind of cute. Hold, please. So I love long necklaces. I love layered necklaces, which it looks like is what this, ooh, this is cute. I like this. Oh gosh, it's all tangled up. Does anyone else have like the worst luck with tangled necklaces? How do you keep yours from not getting tangled? Look at this. That is so cute. So it's got the 3 levels all together with the little triangle at the bottom. I really like this. This is really cute. Well done. First item. Definitely going to be keeping that. It's cute. Putting that to the side. Okay, next we have, so you also get a little envelope that's kind of a cheat sheet that'll tell you prices, outfit styling, suggestions from your stylist. So I'm gonna put that to the side. Okay, and then you also get the majority of your clothes wrapped up in here. I apologize for the loud noise. Okay. So the first thing it looks like on here is a pair of, ooh, shorts. These are cute. So these look like just a pair of stretchy, regular blue jeans with some rough cut on the bottom, some frayed edges. I will say these normally look a little bit longer than what I like. They're a size 0 in indigo from Dear John, the brand. But I think they're super cute. I will try all of this on afterwards, but I did just want to give you guys a quick overview of what I got. They're size 25. I don't really know much about the brands that are connected with Stitch Fix. I'm assuming they've all been pretty good quality from what I've kept. So yeah, I will try these on. My first impression though is they're probably a little bit longer than what I normally prefer, but I'll see. Next, we have something in this really pretty olive green. This is cute. Okay, so this is just a super basic tank top. Oh, this is cute. So super basic olive tank top. It's got the cut-ups on the side so where it's kind of a, oh, what's the terminology with this? The swoop? What's the word? You know what I'm talking about. It like curves at the bottom. It's not cut straight across, and then it's longer in the back than the front, and then it has the little low back with the string across. This is actually really cute. It feels pretty heavy. I think more of like a jersey material, kind of a mixed blend. This is from Z Supply, and it is a back detail knit top. Cute. I like. That's a possibility. Okay, next we have something that I'm immediately not super drawn to purely because of the print. Oh, but this is kind of interesting. I've never gotten this before. So this is a one piece, if you guys can see that, in a floral kind of scalloped design top. This is actually kind of cute. It's from the brand Nine Britain. It's an Amy sleeveless scallop neckline knit bodysuit in black size small. This is kind of cute. That's a possibility. Normally I don't like these kind of floral pieces, but it'll have to kind of see how it fits once it's on my body, because bodysuits sometimes for me sit a little weird because I have super long legs and a really short torso, or a fairly short torso. So it just kind of depends. Okay, next and last piece. So yeah, we got 5 pieces all together. What are, ooh, cute. Okay, so this is a kimono. They did a really good job this month. I'm gonna have to try all this on and see how it fits. But I just, like I said, wanted to give you guys a sneak peek. So this is a really, really cute, long looking like kimono. Pretty sheer with, again, the floral design on the sleeves, and it's got this really cute little like pom-pom detail on the bottom all the way around the sleeves. This is really cute, and then it's along the back of the kimono as well. That's really cute. I like this. This is super cute. So this is by Emery Park. This is the Landy Crochet Trim Kimono in size small black. I like this. I'm not a super huge kimono wearer, but this one I could get behind, especially if it's longer. So that is it, you guys. That is everything that I got from Stitch Fix this month. If you guys want to see kind of a lookbook with me trying on the stuff that I kept for the summer, please let me know down in the comments below. But other than that, that's all I have for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed. Please hit the subscribe button if you want to see more videos from me, and I will see you guys next time. Goodbye!